Now guys, that Foxwing cover is super tight. It's always a pain to pack in. So Drifta actually has a custom cover which is quite a bit bigger. So we'll see how easy that is to attach. I had never replaced a Foxwing cover and had no clue how they actually work and how they're attached. So I reckon if you have done that before, you will do it in 2 minutes. It should be a very quick process. That was quick. One thing you should know is that the original Foxwing cover has plastic buckles to tie the awning down once it's rolled up. And Drifta uses metal eyelets, so you will need to take the plastic buckles off the Foxwing awning so that you can then use it with the eyelets. I just opened up the double folded end of the strap and then I could take the buckle off. Just keep in mind you cannot interchange then easily the covers because they use two different systems. Just going to cut these off. Here I just replaced the cover. I have actually the poles and an extension in the car, and I can report that you can easily fit all the poles in the cover and then don't need to carry that in the car. So that is also a big plus for that cover in my book. One thing I noticed is that the zipper, like on every awning, depending on your installation, could actually touch the paintwork. This has not happened in my case though, and when I made the suggestion to Luke, he right away said that he will put a little ledge there so that that can't happen. Pretty damn good. So plenty of space. I like it. That means I can actually put the poles in here. Don't have to have them in the car. Yeah, we'll see. I'll test that now how that is for a while and see whether it all works well, but first impression, pretty good. I have since done 1500 kilometers with the new awning cover on Fraser and back to Sydney. This is obviously not enough time to give any indication of the longevity. However, I can report that noise-wise there is no difference to the original cover. The zipper also never touched the paint, so that never was an issue. And yeah, so far I'm very happy with it, but we will see obviously how it goes in the long term. To be fully transparent, during a factory tour, Luke saw that I had a Foxwing awning. He just got that new covers in and he asked me whether I like to try one, which I agreed to. So that item was not paid for, but nothing in return really was expected beside me giving him feedback. And the final comment from me, that's why I really like to work with Luke from Drifta, because he takes suggestions really on board. And I can't say in how many instances he made immediate changes to product based on feedback. And from my industry experience, that is very rare. I really commend him on that.